This Windermere Real Estate Boise Valley property video is presented by Deanna C Watkins. Welcome to Hockberger Ranch Road, in very desirable Lake Crest gated community. This buildable lot with 2.98 acres features views of Canyon County, rolling hills and a spectacular view of the Owyhee Mountain range. There is nothing like the stunning Idaho sunrises and sunsets viewed from this lot. The home plan for this lot is approximately 2,531 SFT, a true custom home with a favored single level, with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, proposed well and septic included in the purchase price. Rendering similar. For more information, review the details below or contact Deanna C Watkins at 208-258-2222.